Unlock lightning-fast, secure contract signings with Pandadoc right here, right now. Let's dive into the simple, step-by-step process of assigning contracts using Pandadoc, making your business transactions smoother and more compliant than ever. First, you'll receive an email notification from Pandadoc indicating a document requires your signature. Click the link to access the document directly. Once the document loads, you'll see highlighted fields where action is required. Look for the sign or click to sign prompts. Clicking on a signature field will reveal your signing options. You can typically type your name to generate a signature, draw it freehand on your trackpad or screen, or upload a pre-existing image of your signature. Choose the method that best suits your preference, and brand Pandadoc offers several stylistic choices for your electronic signature. Once you've selected or created your signature, click Apply or a similar confirmation button. Pandadoc is smart. Often, once you've signed your first field, it will automatically apply your signature and any other required elements, like dates or initials, to the remaining fields throughout the document. Review the document one last time to ensure all fields are accurately completed. You'll see clear indicators that your actions have been registered. Finally, click the Finish or Completed button at the bottom or top of the document. This confirms your signing process is complete. Congratulations! You've successfully assigned a contract with Pandadoc. You and all parties involved will receive a final, executed copy of the document for your records, ensuring accuracy and compliance for swift business operations.